Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. In today's market, consumers increasingly value products that are not only beautiful but also environmentally conscious. By adopting sustainable practices, woodworkers can contribute to forest conservation, reduce waste, and promote renewable resources. The foundation of sustainable woodworking lies in selecting FSC-certified wood, reclaimed timber, or fast-growing species that regenerate quickly. This approach ensures that the craft supports ecological balance while producing high-quality, attractive furniture and decor. Moreover, sustainable woodworking encourages innovation in design and technique, making it possible to create pieces that are both eco-friendly and visually stunning. When combined with efficient use of materials and waste reduction strategies, this approach can lead to a profitable business model that appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. Embracing sustainability not only benefits the planet but also enhances the reputation of the craftsperson and the perceived value of their products in the marketplace. Joinery is the cornerstone of both traditional and modern woodworking, especially when focusing on sustainability. Unlike mechanical fasteners or adhesives that can be environmentally harmful or degrade over time, well-crafted joinery uses interlocking wood pieces that are durable and require no synthetic materials. Techniques such as dovetail, mortise and tenon, lap joints, and finger joints not only enhance the strength and longevity of furniture but also eliminate the need for nails or screws, reducing environmental impact. These joinery methods can be executed with minimal waste, preserving more of the raw material. Additionally, joinery highlights the natural beauty of wood by showcasing craftsmanship and the material's inherent patterns and textures. By mastering these techniques, woodworkers can produce stunning pieces that stand the test of time, aligning with sustainability goals. The artistry involved in joinery also appeals to customers seeking authentic, handcrafted quality, which can command higher prices and foster long-term business success. Creating beautiful, high-profit woodworking pieces begins with innovative design that emphasizes both aesthetics and functionality. Incorporating joinery techniques allows for seamless, elegant connections that enhance visual appeal. For example, dovetail joints can be used in drawer construction for both strength and decorative detail, while exposed mortise and tenon joints add a rustic charm to tables and benches. Design-wise, focusing on clean lines, natural wood finishes, and minimalist forms can appeal to modern tastes, while intricate details or traditional motifs attract niche markets. Sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood or fast-growing species, when combined with thoughtful design, create unique pieces with character and soul. Consider incorporating natural edge slabs, live edges, or contrasting wood species to add visual interest. Proper planning ensures minimal waste and maximizes material use, increasing profit margins. Ultimately, an attractive, well-designed piece not only commands a premium price but also builds a reputation for craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. Efficient material utilization is crucial in sustainable woodworking. Precise planning and cutting maximize yield from each board, reducing waste and costs. Using joinery methods that allow for tight, strong connections means less reliance on adhesives or metal fasteners, which can be less eco-friendly. Reclaimed wood is an excellent resource, offering unique character and reducing the demand for new timber. When working with reclaimed or fast-growing species, it's essential to inspect the wood thoroughly for stability and pests. Drying and conditioning the wood properly prevent warping and cracking, ensuring durability. Modular designs that can be disassembled and reused further enhance sustainability. Also, adopting CNC technology or computer-aided design, CAD, can optimize cuts and reduce scrap. This combination of strategies ensures the craft remains eco-conscious while maintaining high quality and profit potential, appealing to environmentally aware consumers who seek authentic, durable furniture and decor. Durability is a key selling point in sustainable woodworking, especially when paired with beauty. Using joinery methods like dovetails and mortise tenon joints creates furniture that withstands daily use, reducing the need for replacements and waste. Finishing techniques such as natural oils, waxes, or low VOC finishes enhance the wood's appearance without harming the environment. These finishes also emphasize the wood's natural grain, color, and texture, making each piece unique. Incorporating contrasting woods or inlays can add visual interest, while maintaining structural integrity. A well-crafted, durable piece not only offers long-term value to customers but also enhances the reputation of the maker. Investing in quality tools and precise craftsmanship ensures each joint fits perfectly, resulting in a seamless, attractive finish. Sustainable, beautiful furniture built with enduring joinery techniques appeals to eco-conscious buyers willing to pay a premium for craftsmanship that lasts. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.